You want to fight or something, dog?
Even, dude, these were, oh my gosh, Donnie, look the rail, you can just move it.
Yeah, I know, that's why they
Don't touch that, that's like live wire.
This is why they put that here.
Oh my gosh.
It's like being a little kid.
This is crazy.
It's like being a little kid.
Whoa, Brandon's not here. Want to try to take it off?
No.
Why they're not looking? Just take
It's like
it.
being a kid again.
Oh. I wish I brought my Mac. I just upload this to YouTube right now. This is crazy. I'm live streaming on Facebook.
Maybe that's why the cop shot.
Conroe
Maybe he did that.
SA31 here.
He called up and like,
Take a look at this shit.
just knocked down.
Cursed again?
I'm gonna give you the rundown real quick. So an 18-wheeler, or big rig or something, was trying to make a right turn here on Railroad Avenue.
Yo, Donnie, he shattered this.
He couldn't make the turn.
Oh, let me go guard traffic. Bro. Come on, you guys got it. You can do it.
The turn was too wide and he couldn't fit the trailer. So what happened was this trailer cranked the couple and managed to take down the entire signal. Now as a result of this, this has been reported. The engineer actually witnessed this happen.
He was just staring it down.
Yeah, he was actually staring down the driveway.
MA80's not coming down.
By the way, obviously.
We're probably gonna get an eval or some shit now. They're not gonna put this back up.
Yeah, they're not put.
There's no way.
Put a new crossing on it. Cause look at that. It's a new signal.
Let's get a close up on this. He completely snapped the whole thing. Watch out for live wires, Donnie. Those are still live wires.
All right, let's do a live look at here, what just happened. See, for me, this is like a metaphor for Packer season.
You guys can come across. You're all good. 18-wheeler came around the curve right here, and he took down the pole. Yeah. All right. Yo, an 18-wheeler rounded the curve on Railroad Street and took down the railroad crossing gates. It's down on the ground like 2 feet away from the actual spot where it was at. Just knocked it out. The whole entire crossing gate. It's legitimately just laying on the ground here. It's not even split in half. Took it out from the ground.
I'll let you know. Alright.
The crossing gates, the thing that flash. It's on the ground. It's broken, on the ground,
Yeah,
smashed.
it's absolutely annihilated.
It's annihilated. It looks like John Cena just took the railroad crossing gate down. Hey, you're good. You're good. Yeah, I know. What? Sorry, I couldn't hear you. What? No, I mean, this is crazy. He took the whole thing down. I want you to come see it.
All my life.
All right, I'll send it to you. We're just live on Facebook. All right, I will. Bye. All right, I ain't got enough footage right now, but we should do a little documentary thing that we were just talking about on this.
I'm doing a documentary.
So what's today's date?
November 23rd, 2016.
Yep, November 23rd,
Tomorrow is
2016.
Thanksgiving.
Yeah, day before
You know,
Thanksgiving.
I got something to be thankful for. Not being electrocuted by this, nor this.
Getting hit by that.
Yeah,
That same plane keeps flying over. See it right there, Donnie? Same plane keeps flying over.
Just planes.
If they just scrap this, I think we should take it.
I don't.
What?
It,
I'm gonna take it.
I wouldn't take it off. Because it's possible to be salvaged, you know.
No, Donnie, if it's sitting here tomorrow, I'm taking it. I'm screwing this off tomorrow at least.
It's gonna sit here tomorrow.
Then I'm screwing the crossing gates off at least.
What are you gonna do with this shit?
I'm getting an artsy picture of the railroad crossing sign laying on the ground and the railroad street sign. Alright, I'm gonna head out. Update number 2, we're out here in Farmington, New Jersey. We got our friendly old crew coming down, the usual. They got the guy who hit the gate. Crew's getting back on board. We don't know what they're doing yet. They're gonna wait for the guys to come down or not to fix it. I got some wrong explosives going now. Same with this dude over here. Anyways, there's NSGP38-U 5282. This gate is going down now. And here are some more tire marks, by the way. This is what I forgot to mention from the truck. And he went up and he scraped the side of the pole. You can just see how it kind of, like right there. Yep, before I start off this video, we're here in Farmingdale. And this happened. So we got the Nick flying the crossing. Here we go. Let's hope for a good one. One more quick update down here in Farmingdale. The police have shown up. 5282 has left. And the railroad crossing, they're still going. I believe that they're waiting for the Conrail crew to come down to fix them. They said they won't be fixed for a while, though. They're probably just going to turn them off. You're good. Gate's still down, live wires, so the police don't want us over there, but very nice. They've let us get our pictures and everything. It's crazy. We're down here just trying to do a normal day and this fell down. We're going to come back out later after we go get a bite to eat, and we'll keep you guys updated. It's crazy.
Oh, okay. Alright, I'll tell him that then.